Good afternoon, guys. I'm working on this Sir Thomas Roxbury movement here, replacing some gears that need it because some of the pivots are worn away some. And I'm going to show you why they're worn away. My camera will focus here. See that? Rust. Somebody cleaned this movement without taking it apart. I don't know who, but if I'm being fair, I can't really get mad at them because they just didn't know. But I'm willing to teach you. If you do clean your movement while it's together, just make sure that you dry it as good as possible where this doesn't happen. And electric clocks like this will run way past when it gets to this point. And it wears away the shafts. Like, let me see if I can show you here somehow. Well, my camera's not wanting to focus, but that was the wrong pivot anyway. See that? That's not how it's supposed to look. That's what happens. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that tip helps you as to what not to do. Catch you later. Bye-bye.